because all you need to do is subscribe to ProDirect YouTube channel, like and comment to Tash on your favorite video on their channel. Winners will be announced on the 11th of March. Yes guys, back to another video today, and today it's going to be a sick video because I've just been set the latest pair of Neymar football boots by ProDirect. These boots are absolutely sick. These boots make you run fast in all directions and in speed. Speed isn't measured in straight lines in football. The mercurial player is born with natural speed. It's in its DNA. So guys, before I get on to unboxing my boots, let me just talk about my sick Neymar t-shirt. So on the front it's got the Challenge Night Tick in red, the Challenge Red Night Tick, and it has Neymar and shh everywhere. And at the back it says shh at the top, and it says Tash, and it says number 10, and it says ProDirect at the bottom. This t-shirt's sick. So guys, let's get on to unboxing these sick boots. So inside we've got... Oh, these are beautiful! Guys, look how sick they look! Boots are absolutely sick. They're going to make you play in confidence and style. The colours are absolutely amazing as well. It's black, white, and then both the Night Ticks on the inside and the outside, it's got Challenge Red. The Neymar boot is covered in shh all around it. These boots will be comfortable and they will give you grip for when you need to accelerate, and they'll make you faster by nature. At the back of this boot it says Neymar down the bottom, and it has a little jewel at the top, and at the bottom there's 11 blades, and there's a Night Tick here. Guys, can we take a minute just to see how amazing these boots are? These boots are Neymar's signature football boots. They're the non-mercurial Vapor Elite FD football boots. These boots are silencial, as it refers to Neymar's silence on the football pitch when he goes past the defenders as an amazing player. Neymar's a sick football player. Now let's test these bad boys on the pitch. Right guys, here at the pitch, and as you can see I've got my t-shirt, I've got my boots, so let's put on these bad boys. Right guys, now I'm going to be testing out these sick Neymar football boots. First of all, let me get a goal. Guys, now I'm going to be doing some finishing.
Yeah, back foot. Finish. Yeah. 4. Yep. 2. 1. Keep turn. Finish. 2. 1. 4.
Like you trying to get stuck in it. In the air. Like you trying to get stuck in the air.
So guys, I've now tested the boots and now I'm going to be doing a quick crossbar challenge with my dad.
And he's got the Neymar boots on, but I'm gonna win.
But you got
With
the
my
Air
normal,
Maxes.
with my normal Air Maxes. So who's going first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
Come on then. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I already do. You always do the same thing all the time.
I think I need to change that. I always go for rock.
I didn't even need to look. Rock, paper, scissors.
Go on then, you're first then, mate. Let's see what you got.
I'm gonna hit it. I'm gonna hit it.
Go on then. And he's hitting over.
So guys, I just missed my first shot, but
Hopefully, well,
Keep
I'm gonna get it in. Watch this. No messing around, straight away. Here we go.
What I hit it.
There you go. 1-0 to me. Come on.
Well, it's not gonna be 1-0 to you for now, because I'm gonna get the first.
Go on then. Let's see what you got.
Ah, this is.
Oh no, and he's done it.
So guys, I've done it. I made it 1-1. So how do you feel now?
I feel great because I'm going to make it 2-1. Here we go.
Yeah, really.
Oh,
That's gonna be 2-1.
There's too much power on it that time.
This is when I'm gonna make it 2-1.
No, he's not.
Yeah.
Go on then. No way, he's done it again.
Big comeback. We do this in it. It's our living, hitting the crossbar every single time. These Neymar boots are sick.
Well, here we go. I have to make it 2-2. He's done over again. Oh no, he can win me now. It's gonna be all over, I reckon. Hopefully it misses.
Hopefully. I'm not gonna miss. Guys, I'm gonna get this in.
Yeah, I've got a challenge for you. Try to do it with your left foot.
No, wait. I'll just say it now.
Left foot or a trick shot.
Yeah.
Go on then.
So come on.
Go on then and see what you got. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh. Cheeky did a Rabona.
And you have to do trick shot only. Trick shot only with the last one, not even big foot.
Wait, you're on your last one. I'm on my last one.
Yeah, but when the last one, only
Yeah.
trick shot.
Okay.
So guys, because it's my last shot, when my dad gets to his last shot, we're gonna be doing trick shots only.
Trick shot or left foot.
No.
Yeah.
That is all. You're gonna do left foot, that's why, and you're gonna get it.
No.
There you are.
Wait. Nah, trick
Trick
shot
shot.
or left foot as well.
No.
Yeah, you can choose. But I'm not on my last shot yet, so I can still go
Yeah.
normal. So here we go.
Your turn.
Bam! Here we go. 2-2.
Guys, he got it in, so it's 2-2, so we don't have to do trick shots now. Watch this, I'm gonna get it this time.
Go on then. Let's see what he's got then, guys. Let's see what he's got. Oh!
Did you see that? It nearly went into the hoop. You still have a shot now?
I know. I still got one shot, but that was
Yo,
yo.
and it nearly went in the
That
hoop
was
as
sick.
well. So guys, smash that like button and subscribe and press that notification bell if you're not subscribed or notified, because that shot was absolutely sick.
So guys, it's my last shot. I have to do a trick shot or left foot. I'm gonna go for left foot. God, I don't think I got it. Don't think I got the skills to get it in. Hit the crossbar. So here we go, left foot.
Oh guys, just so you know, my dad's left foot is sick.
Is it sick in it?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. You jinxed me. He jinxed me.
Get it.
Oh, that was rubbish.
Stick if you want to get it. No. So guys, I give these boots a 10 out of 10, but don't forget to like and subscribe and click that notification bell so you get notified every time I put a new video. Bye! To win a pair of these Neymar vapors, all you need to do is subscribe to ProDirect YouTube channel, like and comment to Tash on your favorite video on their channel. Winners will be announced on the 11th of March.